home. That's no joke. Now then, with just a clean, dry brush, I'm going to begin blending the sky.
Bob Ross, he was great.
Until it's very smooth and very subdued. I want to keep some of these lights.
Yeah, I did some paintings in my 20s.
You blend it to whatever degree of lightness or darkness that you want.
I got that back from my mom. Bob Ross died at 50 of cancer.
As our painters.
My mother, I got this back from her. She died of cancer at 73. That was my first oil painting. Sorry, Leonardo, for plagiarizing. Solomon Islands Brothers from National Geographic. And yeah, I used to be a painter. And I got back some paintings. I gave that to my dad. I got that back after he died. A Mate for Life. I got that back from Grandma Love. This is my bird wall. I'm a bird person. I'm Birdman. I jump out of airplanes. I have no fears except for one. Gynophobia. So I rescued a bird this morning in my backyard. And I want to know what he is. What is this bird? It's not a starling. Well, anyways, I'm gonna give Bobby a taste sensation today. Ginger, scalloped potatoes that my mom used to make for me. Radishes and cherries, blackberries, cucumber, lemon, radish. I know he loves mashed potatoes. But I will never give him this. He will die if he eats avocado. Okay, Bobby. Are you ready to do the Mission Impossible? Are you ready to do the Mission Impossible? Come on down. You're the next contestant on The Price is Right. Bobby, there's your bath. Oh, he just wants to eat his sunflower seeds right now. Yeah, he's 9, almost 10. That's 18 in human years, so he's going through puberty. He's just as temperamental as some of us are. Bobby. Bobby, you need a bath. It's been a while. I've clipped him. He's not going to fly away. Ow! Jeez. Are you temperamental today? Come on. Come here. Come here. You're being temperamental. Jeez. Get in your bath. Yeah, some days he goes on my shoulder and he loves being pet behind the neck like a cat. Today is being temperamental. Yes. Wash those parasites off of you. Get those parasites off of you. Who needs parasites? Right? Right. He's got his jungle gym there. I know he's not female. I was thinking about getting DNA done. That's why I called him Bobby. It could have been Bobby with an I or a Y. But I know he's male because he's never produced any eggs over the last 10 years. Oh, watch out for the magpies and the crows. They will swipe down and get you. No magpies and crows here. Not now. You like your bath, don't you, Bobby? You like your bath. Uh-oh. I think I just saw a magpie. You look like a drowned rat. Are you done? Come here. Come here. Bobby? Bobby, I'm just putting you back in your cage. Oh, he's drying off now. Look at him. He's drying off on the carpet. Don't eat that. That's garbage. Bobby? Why are you being temperamental today? Jeez. Maybe it's because you just met that bird I just rescued. Okay, let's try this. Come here. Come here. Come here. Don't you dare. I can't lift my foot up that high. Bobby, come here. Be nice. Come on, be nice. Come here. Some days he's very friendly and other days he's not. Well, I gotta find a way to how to get him inside his cage. If I show him that glove, he could be flying across the road. Don't eat that. Don't eat your statue. Don't eat your statue. Okay. This always entices him. Millet. He always likes millet. All birds like millet. All birds like millet. Now you're gonna be nice? What's wrong with you today? Jeez. I gotta get you back in your cage. All right. How about sunflower seeds? Pumpkin seeds? Oh, I think I know how I can do this now. Come on, Bobby. Special seeds. Special seeds. Special seeds. I have to get him on my hand to get him back in his cage. Come here. Come on. Bobby? Oh. All right. He doesn't want to go back in his cage. I don't blame him. Talk to your girlfriend, Sally the Sparrow. What's he doing now? Is that her? Is that Sally the Sparrow? Well. Some days he likes me petting him on my shoulder, and today he's just not interested.